Hello everyone and welcome to Rajput Jain and Associate. Today in this video we will discuss about multi-state cooperative society. So what is a multi-state cooperative society? So multi-state cooperative societies are governed by the Multistate Cooperative Societies Act. Multi-state cooperative society means a society being registered or deemed to be registered under the Multi-State Cooperative Societies Act and include a national cooperative society and a federal cooperative society. The MSCS Act provides for the formation of two types of cooperative society. First one is the primary cooperative society, which constitutes of both individual and the institutional members. Second one is the federal cooperative society, which constitutes of only institutional members. Next, what is the objective of multi-state cooperative society? The main objective of the society are to work in the interest and welfare of its member in more than one state. It is not necessary that a society should have branches in more than one state. It may have branches limited to one state, and it shall not cease to be a multi-state cooperative society so long as it serves the interest of the members in more than one state. Next, we come on to the process of registration. So firstly, for the purpose of registration of a multi-state cooperative society under this Act, an application shall be made to the central registrar. It is required to be signed by at least 50% persons from each of the concerned state. It has to be authorized by the representatives on behalf of at least 5 of such societies as are not registered in the same state. It has to be authorized by the representatives of each society. The application should be accompanied by 4 copies of the proposed bylaws of the multi-state cooperative society, and the individual by whom or on whose behalf such application is made should provide such information in regard to society as the registrar may require. Now, there are certain prerequisites which the applicant is required to adhere to. These are, first of all, at least 10 persons are required to form a society. Secondly, provisional committee and a chief promoter has to be elected from these individuals. Next, the name of the society has to be a unique one. Then, an application is essential to be made to the relevant authority for the name reservation and for authorizing the reserved name. Then comes the entrance fees as well as the share capital have to be collected from the potential members. Then, as per the directions of the authority, a bank account is also required to be opened in the name of the proposed society. Then, the registration fees are required to be deposited with the Reserve Bank of India and a receipt challan shall be obtained for the same. Then, an application has to be submitted to the Registrar of Societies of the concerned municipal division for society registration. Now next we come to the documents required for registration of multi-state cooperative society. So a duly signed 4 copies of the proposed bylaws must be submitted. Then, the list of contributors to the share capital as well as the list of the contributors and their details of the contribution shall be provided. Then, a certificate from the bank which shows the credit balance in the account of the desired cooperative society. A scheme showing indicating the financial reasonability of the proposed society and further express that the enlistment of the society will be valuable for the social and the monetary advancement of the individuals. Then, a resolution which provides the name and the address of the chief promoter, and a copy of resolution in the favor of the person who is authorized to make the bylaws shall be submitted. Next is the acceptance of application. So the application can be disposed of by the registrar within a period of 4 months. So wherein the application is not disposed of within a period of 4 months, then the application shall be deemed to have been accepted for registration. Later, a registration certificate shall be issued by the department. However, when the central registrar refuses to list a multi-state cooperative society, the same will be provided an opportunity to be heard before passing such instruction or order. The registrar has to communicate within a period of 4 months from the date of receipt of application for the incorporation, in order of refusal together with the reasons provided to the applicant as the case may be. Now, what are the benefits of registering multi-state cooperative society? So the benefits of registering a multi-state cooperative society are, first of all, a multi-state cooperative society can charge and set off in regard of offer or commitment or interest of individuals. The share of contribution or the interest is not liable as an addition to the society. Apart from that, the reservation or registration of a multi-state cooperative society is prima facie an evidence of the date on which any individual entered in such register or list to become a member, or the date on which any such individual concluded to be a member. It likewise provides an exclusion from mandatory enrollment of instruments, allowance from compensation to meet the case of cooperative society in specific cases, and encourages government to help them. Lastly, we come on to some of the frequently asked questions. So first is, how much time does it take for a multi-state cooperative society to be registered? So generally it takes 4 to 6 months for a multi-state cooperative society to be registered after the submission of requisite documents to the ministry. Then, what are the requirements for registration of a multi-state cooperative society? So an application for registration of a multi-state cooperative society shall be made in the prescribed Form 1 and Form 2. So in Form 1, one needs to provide the detail of minimum 60 members from at least 2 states each with their signature. In Form 2, the applicant shall provide the name of all the members along with their signatures. Then, what are the different types of societies that are available in India? So the different types of societies are credit cooperative society, housing cooperative society, farming cooperative society, dairy farm multi-state cooperative society, solar credit cooperative society, multi-state multi-purpose cooperative society, and transport cooperative society. Now next one is, what is a credit cooperative society? So a credit cooperative society is one that involves all the types of finance related work such as accepting deposits and lending loans to its member. Now what are the different forms that are involved in the registration of a multi-state cooperative society? So as discussed above, there are only 2 forms required, that is Form 1 and Form 2 respectively. Now what is a housing cooperative society? So a society that is involved in all types of housing related work such as form, promote and register of a housing society is known as an housing cooperative society. So this was all about multi-state cooperative society registration. For more details, contact Rajput Jain and Associates, or you can also visit our website www.carajput.com. Thank you.